This is Danny Coin. Quickly, I just want to show you guys about this update. Please, I will show you how you can update your your apps right now because the new version is out and it's not easy as you think. So before you update your app, you need to save your keys. When I mean your keys, your wallet, your password. How can you do that? I'll show you. You go to your app. I'm talking about Bitkeep and I'm talking about Beta Step, LT wallet and Holdcoin. So right now their new version is out and it's very interesting. So I will show you how you can update it. So you go to your app after that's homes. After home, you see my profile picture at the end here. See my profile picture at the end. Click on it. After clicking on it, it take you to this page that you're seeing right now. So at this page you're seeing right now, you click on backup provide keys. So this is very very important. If you miss this your keys, you have missed your account. You get? So it's very very important. After clicking that place, this backup provide keys, you take you to this place. At this place now, you put your password your password that you type your 5 letter 3 numbers. I always say you guys to always put, is it 6 or 5 or 7 letters, 3 or 2 numbers. You get? That is your password. So you put your password here. Please, if you forget your password, you are on your own because this one there's no way you can get your password back. So if you forget your password, is you on your own. Unless if you forget your password, you can come to me and I'll try to help you out. You get? So the only way you can get to me, if you don't have my contact, you can also ask me. Just ask me on my YouTube comment section, and I will answer you. So you put your password. After put your password, it will take you to this place. At this place now is very important. Do not share this your wallet. Do not share it to anyone. It's very very important. If you share it to anyone, that means it's not only you that has you that your account that you think that you have. So do not share it with anyone. And after doing that, you go after copying it, you copy this wallet address. After copying this wallet address, go to your note and save your own wallet because that's what I always do. So that you can easily get it back. Please save it in place. Actually, I don't really advise people to write it down because it's not easy. This thing is not easy. It's not something that you need to write it down. So you need to save it in where you will always see it. You get? Where you will only you to see it. So after doing that, you come back. After doing that, after saving your wallet, you come back to your browser. I will drop the link where you click it and take it to your browser. So you will see something like this old coin. See this old coin. You see that the website is very very interesting. Like it looks so good, like so nice, and their roadmap is really interesting right now. You read their roadmap, it's very interesting right now. I don't want to make the video to be too long. So if you read if you read all those things, I know that you guys don't always read all these things. That's why people are getting confused. People be asking me, how can I sell my coin? If you read all these things, you will understand it than somebody explaining it to you. You get? So try to read all these things. It will help you very very well. You just look for a time to read it. So if you can see that roadmap now, very very interesting. Like it's very very interesting, guys. I don't need to talk too much. You see the company that is sponsored by these people. You know that these people are not joking. So see both Binance self is there with them. So it is not easy. So I will show you how you can download the new version. After keeping your password safe, you delete the app. Make sure you delete the app because they will not allow you to have two accounts in your phone. Make sure you delete the app. After delete the app, come to this 100 APK and download it. 100 APK and download it. Is not on Play Store yet right now and this other one. So download it in this place. This 100 APK is you will download it on this website right now and you install it. I've already installed my app. So when you download it, you will show you where to install it. You after downloading it, it will appear install. You install it. After install, you go back to the app. So after coming to your app, you will see something like this. You'll see something like this. So please, for your information, this wallet is for those people that want to open new accounts. Is for those people that want to open new accounts. So you copy this wallet address, put your password, repeat the same password after you log in. So if you already have the account, what you need to do is to click on this place, and you put your wallet address here. Your wallet address here. You see where the way I put my own. After you put your password here and repeat the password there. So hold on, I'll get back to you. Let me do. So now I've put my password right now. So I've put my password right now. Please do not share your password with anybody. I keep reminding you guys every time. It's very, very important. Do not share your password with anybody. So after putting my password, I click on this place and click next. So see what it will appear. Do you see how the system, only the way they look, you know that these people are crazy. Like a lot of things is going on here. A lot of things is going on here. Like if we check here, if you check all this place, you will know that a lot of things these people have really they have really want, like they want to go far. So if you come to this place, you actually see the price of cryptocurrency, that is HDC. Look at their price is 0.895, so it's up to dollar, so it's what up to $1. So um Tron, USDT, Ethereum, this other one. So if we check down, you will see some many, I think this is all for now. Is all for now. That so these are the price of those coins. So this are very, very important. So for those of you that know how to refer, that even though if you don't is refer is not compulsory, but if you don't have to, if you know how to refer, you refer and you'll be given. If you have if you reach level 1, that is 3 referrals, you will get 3 TRX, that's Ethereum. So if we click silver, the same thing. So all these things are the same. So guys, it's up to you guys. If you want me to have this stuff, guys, it's up to you. It's not on my hand, it's up to you guys. So please make sure you use my code. Make sure you use my code. It's very, very important. If you register and you do not receive any reward, please use my code. Use my code. See my code there, HEQV small letter CR is my code, please. So the way you do and get your reward, the way you do, make sure you delete that old app. So you can look at exchange. See exchange. I can swap my coin. I can swap my coin to any other cryptocurrency that I want, as long I, after unlocking that after unlocking my coin. Right now my coin is locked. So my next video I will show you guys how to unlock your coin. It's very simple how it is, you get. So I'll show you guys how to unlock the coin. So do the way you do in old coin, also do the same thing. Upgrade the same thing in LT wallet. LT wallet is not really different. The only difference between old version and new version is that KYC, you get. So is that KYC right now. You see that KYC here. So that is the only difference. So you need to upgrade it. and and this other one too, I do not think is they. So just so guys, if we can check down, if we can check last time I make my video on this b this BizX, the price was 0.02. Right now is 0.355. It's going to like is crazy. So don't miss this coin. These people are giving this coin free. It will, I told you guys, it will not, I don't know when it will end, but it will not last long. So, and the crazy part is that these people, this one gone go is actually they want to launch their price, like their price on on Binance, on Binance, really Binance. So let me show you guys what I mean by Binance. Where is it? Okay. So If you can see what is right here, they say the LT token will be financially listed on Binance Exchange at 9 on wherever what is that. So the interesting part is that they say the price will be 0.15. If actually they launch this price in 0.15, that means that the that means LT will reach $1. Like it will pass $1. It won't be say reach $1, it will pass $1. So guys, no joke with this opportunity. Participate, go if you don't have LT, download LT, use my code to get your reward, and wait for my next video to how to unlock your coins. So tomorrow I'm dropping a video how you can make 10 up to $10 in a week on your Bitkeep. So if you really want that video to come out, so subscribe for me. If you really want that video to come out, subscribe for me on this my YouTube video, and like, if I can get up to 20 likes today, then I'm 100% sure that I will drop the video tomorrow. But if I don't get up to 10 likes, it's very bad, because you people are watching my video, people are not liking it. You people are not encouraging me. Get, you people are not encouraging me. So like, share my video, share to my video. This thing that we are doing right now, is it will not really benefit only us. So share to your people so they can also benefit it. Yeah. So take care of yourself. Bye. Subscribe.